So how do we use our hearts to release the subconscious program? There's actually a invisible force that we refer to as a universal intelligence, universal mind, or superconscious, that you can actually communicate with, and it will tell you how to work with the subconscious programs. So the subconscious is actually like a vast ocean of life experiences. But there is an intelligence that is constantly giving you information. But if you don't know how to communicate and read it and talk to it, then you won't be able to process what's in the ocean of the subconscious. So here with the heart wisdom process, we teach you a way to communicate with the universal intelligence. And there the intelligence in the heart will give you the signals about the programs that's in the subconscious. And once you identify those programs, you can set an intention and ask the universal intelligence to dissolve those programs and release them from your physical body.